killed in Barbican Road gun attack, one person injured. Protest erupts in Olmsted, Spanish Town over fatal shooting by security forces. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The number of people killed in Thursday's gun attack along Barbican Road, St. Andrew, has increased to 2. A woman who was taken to hospital in critical condition succumbed to her injuries. 3 persons were shot in the attack that took place shortly before 1 p.m. A man died at the scene at the entrance to the area known as Andrew's Pen. The names of the deceased persons have not been ascertained. Another man was rushed to hospital and remains in stable condition. Reports are that armed men approached the group and opened fire, hitting 3 people. The St. Andrew North Criminal Investigations Branch is probing the incident. Upset residents of Bob Lane in Amstead, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Thursday morning mounted fiery roadblocks to protest the fatal shooting of a community member by the security forces. Dead is 48-year-old Vernon Campbell, who was shot and killed during an alleged confrontation Wednesday night. While residents declined to go on the record, many whispers of discontent were heard, with some labeling the police action as wicked. According to an official police report, a joint military police team was patrolling Bobby Lane around 9:30 p.m. when they encountered Campbell among a group of men acting suspiciously. Officers approached the group, and during a reported tussle, Campbell allegedly pulled a gun and fired at the security forces. The officers returned fire, hitting Campbell, who was later pronounced dead at hospital while undergoing treatment.